show you complete insanity in Uttaradit. I don't know what exactly is going on, but this EG here, it's absolutely mental. And I'm not talking about this crazy rear wing with these huge swan neck mounts, these giant end plates with the Thai flag on, this wide body Rocket Bunny kit, ambient lighting, and I really like this green underfloor lighting that is coming up through the wheel arches, and they've also got this piping there as well. Really, really cool. I'm talking about the pop bang. This car has just redefined a pop bang, and now they are tuning it up. And I don't know what to say, because I don't know how you can build an engine that can withstand what they're doing, and a turbo that can withstand what they're doing. In fact, if we look inside, it's also got all that green pipe lighting in it, and it's got some spoon going on it. We look inside here, that shifter, digital display, OMP steering wheel, man, it's just, that is completely crazy. Those alloy tread plates, full carbon seats, carbon door cards as well. So after that crazy pop bang demonstration, the tuner is in the car tuning it. I would have thought if he needed to be down to the engine shop, get it rebuilt, get a turbo rebuilt. I don't know. This EG is from a different planet. It is just completely mental. Well, it's completely beyond being completely mental. I've run out of words. That is nuts. Saturday now. I showed you all on Friday what was going on. The amount of noise, the pop bang, the tuning going on. Well, you can see here, they are working on the car right around the turbo area. And you can see it's got a new engine in it. These guys have been working really hard. And the reason is, as they pointed out, look at this. It's got a big hole in the engine block. And that is probably the least surprising thing to me of the whole weekend. And we can see a load more parts down here. This has blown itself apart, and I am not surprised. I think it was a choice of either the engine blew itself to pieces or the turbo just melted down and flew into orbit, but the engine went first. Anyway, they have a spare engine in the car. They've got a ton of tools here. They've got drive shafts here, which I guess they are just going in after they've done the car. And we're going to walk around. And also, when I said this was the winner of the pop bang last night, we have the best cars in Bangkok all here. So that is a heck of a thing to do. And you can see these guys are working really hard to get this ready. And we can have a look inside here, actually. That is nice. So now I'm going to say goodbye to all this crazy stuff going on the track and head back into the paddock, because this video on this EG never ends. You can see they're working on cars. They're going into the night. It's Saturday night. The Be Quick activation has gone quiet because they're all on the track. And we're going to go over, because I heard the EG pop banging. Man, these guys never give up. They never say die, and they are still at work on this car. Forget all the action, all the stuff going on in the paddock. This has come back to life. It's 9 o'clock on Saturday night, and this EG has returned to life. The tuner is in the car, the laptops are out. This EG is back to life. This EG with the biggest wing you could ever meet. These guys do not give up. They do not say die. They are tuning the car now. It is alive again. Incredible. Unbelievable. These guys, they never give up. We've missed the parade, but this is back to life. And everyone is coming down to see a story of a return from the ashes. And literally, the ashes are all sitting over there. Now it is alive. This is not a planned video. This is not a prepared video. All I'm doing now is throwing the clips together, because this has just turned out to be a completely crazy story. This car blew itself to pieces. They have rebuilt it. It's Saturday night. They have missed the whole track parade, the whole pop thing, but they're going to be ready for Sunday. Now they're tuning it up and we have flames again. And now the owner is in the car, it's gonna move. And it's off, it's alive, it's come back from the dead. It's nearly over Saturday night, but they have made it back. That's what it is all about. That is the story of motorsport and the car world here. Never give up, never die, never say die, just keep going. And you hear that pop bang, they are alive. I need to come and see this do its victory moment on track. The cars are here, the race cars are on one side, the modified cars, the pop bang cars are on the other side, and we're going to get to the end, and here it is. It has taken its place. It is alive, it is back, fixed, and going again. And I am really pleased to see this car back to life. I am really pleased. Bang cars, everyone is going. We got one car left. I think it's the start for me of the weekend. The work done to get this car together is absolutely unbelievable. So we are waiting to see this depart. Everyone's waiting to see this depart. This is a real story. Guys are legends. They have done a fantastic job to put this together again. And here come all the big boys to appreciate the work that has been done to get this together. And it's off. The mission is over. It's done. This video is over. It's done. What a legend pulling this back together. And if you look at that, it's glowing red again. Maybe you're going to go second engine this weekend. out wing, that is nuts. TKS. So I got myself a fan, look out for this one, 72. Unbelievable, the pop bang is non-stop. How that EG engine is staying together, I have no idea. And you look, if I zoom in a little bit, and you look at that turbo, that is about to melt. It's unbelievable, I don't know how he keeps it going. And now they're going to tune the car. So here we are at the end. The lights, the red lights on the start finish gantry have gone red for the final time, and the crowds have absolutely come out really thick, and this car is taking its moments of glory. It came back from the dead and it's pop banging like it had never stopped. This is engine number 2 in Udara Dit. Engine number 1 has got a great big hole I could nearly put my fist through. These guys worked round the clock to get it fixed, and now it is back out here, and it is the star attraction of the whole event tonight. We got the man with the straw hat, we got the driver right here. So we're going to finish here. We're going to ride in this car. I've been in an EG for a while. Steering wheel on. Man, gotta watch the ECU at my feet here. We've got the legendary Xbox car next door. This is really nice. Actually got an Alcantara dashboard. Here we go. Ready to go. See in the low light, that exhaust is glowing red. This is something else, rolling through the paddock, Sunday night, the event is over, half riding away, so this definitely has to be the ending of my video. So as I always say at the end of my video, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please hit like button for me. Whatever content I do, please hit me a sub. But you can see the faces packed up now. We're almost out of here. I'm done. Thank you so much. This guy is a legend. These guys have worked through the night. Also just want to say while we're here for the record, this has got max ECU. Look at that shifter in there. That is absolutely beautiful. Race kill switch. You've got the max digital dash. And inside you've got all these door cards, beautifully carbon done. It's a very nicely finished car. They've got carbon seats, and you can see the lights we had in the engine bay, they chase right the way through everywhere. Alloy tread plates, what a beautifully done car. And of course, that rear wing. And I think these guys are going to be absolutely revving it all night. And look at that turbo. I think they could be building the engine again pretty soon. That is red hot. It's lucky there's a decent supply of K-Series engines in Thailand.